Hi guys, my name is Chetan and welcome to my channel English with CD. Now today, the topic I'm discussing it is very important as most of the people face difficulties in speaking. Today, as an Ielts trainer, I would like to give you a few things which can really elevate your score. And these things are, trust me, very basic, which you are not doing in your exams and because of which you are not able to get a very high score. The first thing which you have to remember is most important, do not repeat the question. If the examiner is asking you in part 1, what are your hobbies? Do not say my hobbies are reading and listening. Although you just have to say 1 or 2 lines, you will say that although I love reading, however, whenever I get some more time, I try to catch up with other activities as well, such as, let's say, cycling. The question is in part 2 that who is the most intelligent person you think? Suppose this is the part 2 topic. So now what people normally do is they start with the question. No, according to me, the most intelligent person is this. Don't say like that. Paraphrase. Now, paraphrasing is saying the same thing, however, in your own words. Try to explain that. You can say that intelligence is a factor which distinguishes every human being. And when I look around myself, I see a couple of them which are intelligent in some way or the other. However, if I have to talk about one individual, that one individual will be my friend or my father, my mother. So try to connect with them. Do not say blank answers like we used to do in 11, 12, 9, 10. So we don't have to do that. We need to be creative so that we are able to generate good score. And I can assure you one thing, that if you're doing this paraphrasing in your speaking exam and it happens in part 1, part 2, part 3, all the 3 parts, you will certainly get a very good score. So thank you so much guys for your time and you have a lovely day ahead. Bye-bye.